Africa Day fever has been unstoppable in the suburb of Yeoville. This is despite COVID-19 restrictions on gatherings. In this Johannesburg area, small business owners have been celebrating African unity, honouring their cultures and dressing up. eNCA's Mobile Mandlala visited this vibrant area.
If you are a Johannesburg resident, chances are you've heard or visited the bustling streets of Yeoville. It's a melting pot of African cultures, evident everywhere. And that's part of the reason why small business owners thrive. Njoya Mama comes from Cameroon. He and his partners have been selling decorative African masks since 1998 to take care of their families back home.
They buy it because of the story behind the item, because sometimes it's not just the normal stuff.
But his business is struggling because of a shortage of tourists. He's not the only one feeling the pinch. Bongani Mkwananzi from Zimbabwe says the ripple effects are also felt by the people he supports.
With the borders also closed and the free flow of goods and food and how to repatriate some monies, it's been a bit difficult.
But both these men are hopeful.
In South Africa recently, this year is celebrating as on the year of Charlotte Macrae. So there's a lot to celebrate, celebrating the heritage of our women who have participated in the struggle. In Zimbabwe, it would be an holiday.
During a different time, Yeoville would have seen an explosion of cultures, from different cuisines to singing and dancing on the streets. But COVID-19 restrictions mean Africa Day will be celebrated in a muted fashion. Johannesburg.